Home Remedies presents How to use coffee oil for fast hair growth and stop hair fall. According to research, the caffeine in coffee can help stimulate hair growth and stop hair loss. Research found that caffeine helped block the effects of DHT in male hair follicles. Coffee stimulates the hair roots by improving its structure and growth. It is really amazing ingredient in your kitchen cabinet. On the other hand, olive oil is quite rich in antioxidants which promote scalp health. If you massage this on your scalp, then the blood flow will improve itself throughout the area and thicker strands of hair will start growing due to ample stimulation of one's hair follicles. So let's see how to make and use this remedy. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Procedure: mix the two ingredients to get a smooth paste and now apply the mixture that's been formed onto your hair and scalp and smoothly massage in a circular motion. Keep it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, rinse it off in normal water and wash it as you do regularly. Do this twice a week for a month to see best results. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.